Hello, friends. Today I'm going to show you how to use the voice typing tool. You can put input in English or in a different language. So I'm going to go up to Tools here, and I'm going to come down to the little microphone where it says Voice Typing. All I have to do is click on it and start speaking, and it will start typing in English. So we'll start that first. I had already written this one. I like soccer the best. I only need a ball. It's fun. Let's say I was going to say, I also like football. Football is good exercise. Then I click that off, and as you can see, it's already started to write across the top there, which is awesome. Now, let's say I'm in a French immersion classroom and I would like to change my language to French. So I'm going to scroll down here. So I've clicked on the little arrow and I'm going down, 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 down. Right now it's set to English, there's Espanol, all sorts of great languages here. Francais is there as well. I'm going to click on that. And then I can record myself and have French input. So I might say, for an answer to that question, J'aime le football. C'est un jeu amusant. And it has beautifully scribed for me. Now, it doesn't have punctuation, but it is still a really great tool. So please feel free to use that. And if you have students who speak another language other than English or French, of course, those are two official languages in Canada. But if you have someone who speaks Romanian or Turkish, there's Czech there, there's Arabic, all sorts of wonderful languages there that you can write in Chinese as well. There's just great, great languages there. So please feel free to play around with that a little bit, show your students, and see what they can produce for you. Sometimes our students have higher oral language proficiency in a language than they do in their reading and writing. So take advantage of this tool. And I'd like to say thank you, big shout out to whomever created this voice typing template. I don't know who to credit, but thank you to whomever shared this originally. It's been shared around on a bunch of social media groups by educators. So thank you to the wonderful person who created this and shared it originally.